Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I want to show you how to fix Doordash background check taking forever. So if you're facing this annoying issue, then you have to watch this video till the end. So here's the step-by-step solution for you. The first one is check the status on checker. Doordash uses check R for background checks. Visit www.applicant.checker.com. So the spelling is checkr.com, and log in with the same info you used for Doordash. Use the current status and any flags or issues. Now here is the interface that you might watching now right now, so that you are facing this problem that is not actually giving you the report status. So here you can see it is in progress. So if it's taking too long, then here's another way that wait the expected time frame. So most checks take 3 to 10 business days. So if it's been longer than 2 weeks, it's probably stuck or needs attention. Now here is contact checker directly. If you see a delay with no updates, go to checker help center, then click contact us and provide your full name, email and the issue. Contact Doordash support. If checker shows the report is complete but Doordash hasn't updated your status, use the Doordash support chat via the Dasher app or visit www.help.doordash.com. Ask them to verify if they have received your background check. Now here is review your own records. Delays often happen due to mismatched personal info, wrong SSN or DOB on name, addresses not matching up, criminal record, even outdated or expired ones. Needing country level checks which take longer. Make sure your info on your Doordash and checker profile is 100% accurate. Now here is the 6th point, that consider withdrawing and reapplying. So last resort, this is actually your last resort that you can follow. If it's been over 30 days not with no resolution, so some users report that withdrawing and reapplying speeds things up, but only do this after contacting support and confirming nothing is actively processing. So that's pretty much all thing about how you can fix Doordash background check taking forever. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.